Hi, in this one we're going to be talking about dictionaries in Python or simply a dictionary in Python. Now, first off, what we need to understand is what is a dictionary? Now, when we think about the word dictionary in our daily lives, we think about a dictionary that helps us translate a certain language into another one, like an English to Spanish dictionary. So if we take a look at the page on the right side of the screen, it's a page right out of a dictionary, and we see a couple of words. Here, what we observe is we have the word written on the left side, and corresponding to it, we see its meaning. So in this case, ability is the key of this dictionary, and the value is basically what this key means or what this key is associated with. So when we look at this, we can understand that with the word ability, the meaning associated is the force or capacity to do something. Just like this, in Python, a dictionary is a structure with key and value pairs where every key is associated with a value. Now, of course, in Python, when we talk about programming and programming dictionaries, it's always a data key and a data value that's associated with it. So let's take a look at the syntax or the rules of writing or creating a dictionary in Python. First off, you need to assign a name to your dictionary. So in this case, just for the example's sake, we've just written dictionary name as a name, and then you make it equal to, well, an opening curly brace. The opening curly brace signifies the starting of the dictionary. After that, you write your first key name. And remember that the key name always needs to be of the string data type, and that's why it's within double quotes. It can also be within single quotes because, as we know in Python, anything within double quotes or single quotes is considered to be from the string data type. So getting back to this, you have your curly brace, your key name, and then you have a colon, and then the value associated with your key. Now, what I want you guys to observe here is that the key name is a string, but the value really could be any data type. So this helps a dictionary associate any kind of value or a value of any data type with a certain key which can be typed as a string. And it helps you search these values in your dictionary easily, but we'll talk about that later. So yeah, in a dictionary, you can have many keys and values associated to those keys. But what you need to remember here is that no two key names should be the same. And that's why we have two keys here in this dictionary that are key name 1 and key name 2. We cannot have two key name 1s in the dictionary. And finally, to end the dictionary, you'd have a closing curly bracket. So here on the right side of the screen, we can see that we have a grades dictionary or grades dict as we've named it. And we've made that equal to uh, the curly brace, and then we have three keys in it. The first key is math, the second is history, and the third is geography. Each of these keys are associated with its own values. Now, in this case, we can easily tell that this dictionary probably signifies a certain student's grades in the courses maths, history, and geography. So if we query math for this grades dictionary, we'll get the value 100. Reiterating on what we just spoke about, keys always have to be strings and values can be of, well, any data type. So that's pretty much about the concepts behind dictionaries. It's really time to jump to PyCharm and get our hands dirty with coding dictionaries and solving some problems to be able to actually understand dictionaries better, because this is a data type that, well, we use a lot in a software development role or pretty much any programming role. So let's just get into it. And in the next one, I'll see you with your PyCharm open and a new project created. If you have any questions on this concept, just put them down in the comment section as always, and my team or I will respond to you ASAP with the best possible answer. Until then, just have fun, and I'll see you in the next one.